Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll show you how you can upload photos in Google Drive and share the link. First, on the left panel here you can see new button. Click on that. Now I am gonna make a new folder. Click on that, and here you can give any name. Now click create button. Now double click on the photo folder. Now right click and click file upload. Now select your image as much you want to upload. Click open. Okay, now our image will be uploaded. Okay, our all photo uploaded. Now right click on the photo folder, and here you can see share button. Click on that, and you can see here on the right side, click share button. Now click on restriction button, and here choose anyone with the link. You can choose the user role from here. Click on that. Now you can choose editor, commenter or viewer. So I am selecting viewer and copy the link. Done. Now let's check it in incognito mode. And here you go. So this is how you can upload photo in Google Drive and share the link. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.